The secrets of the land of the pharaohs have remained hidden for a millennia, until now. The time has come for the legendary Dr. Zahi Hawass to unveil the greatest mysteries of the ancient world.
It's a time for me to give the big lecture tour.
The world's most famous archaeologist returns to North America to share the latest discoveries, reveal groundbreaking finds, and make the most thrilling announcements of his remarkable career.
I will reveal many secrets never published before.
This summer, join Dr. Hawass on his largest lecture tour ever, coming to 33 cities across the United States and Canada from May through August. This event will make history, live on stage, and you won't want to miss it.
This is the most important year for archaeology. Major discoveries are happening.
Come along on an epic journey of exploration and discovery with the real-life Indiana Jones. This royal evening promises to be the most extraordinary event of the year.
I want everyone to come to the great event that's going to capture the hearts of everyone.
Dr. Hawass is ready to surprise the world with unexpected revelations that will make news around the globe and reshape our knowledge of the ancient world.
I, myself, will reveal many important secrets for the first time.
Don't miss out on this one and only Royal Evening with Dr. Zahi Hawass. Register now at zahilectures.com and discover new secrets of ancient Egypt.
Don't miss this at all.
A Royal Evening with Dr. Zahi Hawass is organized by Archaeological Paths Travel Company, which organizes exclusive tours to Egypt with the participation of the world's most renowned archaeologists, including Dr. Hawass. Explore these tours at www.archaeologicalpaths.com.